Imagine tapping into a reservoir of potential earnings just by sharing what you know or love. In the vast digital landscape, there's a platform that makes this possible: SkillShare. So, what is SkillShare? It's an online learning community where anyone, and I mean anyone, can teach what they know, and in return, earn money. This platform is a treasure trove of knowledge, hosting thousands of classes across various categories. From graphic design to entrepreneurship, from photography to painting, SkillShare is a universe of learning and teaching. But today, we are not here just to learn. We're here to talk about how you can earn from this platform. Yes, you heard that right. SkillShare isn't just about acquiring skills, it's also about sharing them and getting paid for it. How does that work, you might ask? Well, it's simple. You create a class on a topic you're well versed in, and then you get paid every time a student takes your class. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not an expert in anything. But let me tell you something. Expertise isn't always about having a degree or being the best in your field. It's about having something valuable to share. It's about being passionate about a subject and wanting to share that passion with others. So, whether you're a talented artist, a tech whiz, or a baking enthusiast, there's room for you on SkillShare. And the best part? There's no limit to how much you can earn. The more engaging and popular your class, the more you earn. And don't worry about the technicalities. SkillShare provides all the tools you need to create and publish your class. All you need is a passion for your subject and a desire to share your knowledge. So, let's recap. SkillShare allows you to share what you know, teaches you how to create engaging classes, and pays you every time a student takes your class. Sounds like a pretty good deal, right? Well, it's time to stop imagining and start doing. Unlock your potential and start earning on SkillShare today. Scene script. First things first, you need to set up your SkillShare account. Embarking on your journey as a SkillShare teacher begins with this simple yet crucial step. Setting up your SkillShare account is a breeze, but it's not just about filling in the blanks. It's about creating your professional persona, the one that will interact with thousands of eager learners from around the globe. Start by visiting the SkillShare website. Click on Join at the top right corner of the page. You'll be prompted to sign up using either your email, Facebook, or Apple account. If you choose to use your email, make sure it's a professional one, preferably one that includes your name. This will not only make you appear more professional, but it will also be easier for students to recognize and remember you. Next, you'll be asked to create a password. Remember, your password is the key to your account, so make it strong and secure. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account stays locked to all but you. The next step is to fill in your profile details. This includes your name, location, and a brief bio about yourself. When writing your bio, keep it concise yet engaging. Share a bit about your background, your passions, and why you're on SkillShare. This is your chance to connect with potential students, so make it count. A critical part of setting up your account is choosing your profile picture. Remember, this is the face of your SkillShare presence, so choose a professional, high-quality image. It could be a headshot, a logo, or anything that represents you professionally. Lastly, you'll be asked to choose your interests. This is important as it helps SkillShare recommend relevant classes for you. But don't worry, you can always change these later. And voila! You've successfully set up your SkillShare account. But remember, this is just the first step. The real magic happens when you start sharing your knowledge and skills with the world. Once your account is set up, you're one step closer to becoming a SkillShare teacher. Now that you have an account, it's time to figure out what you want to teach. The heart of your course lies within the topic you choose. It can be a tricky decision, but a rewarding one when done right. So, how do you choose a course topic? Start by looking inward. What are your skills? What are you passionate about? Your knowledge and enthusiasm are your greatest tools in creating a successful course. Are you a whiz at graphic design? Or perhaps you have a knack for baking the most delicious pastries. Whatever your skill set, there's a good chance that someone out there is eager to learn from you. But remember, passion is just as important as expertise. Enthusiasm is contagious. When you love what you're teaching, it shines through and makes the learning experience more engaging for your students. So take a moment to reflect. What do you love? What are you good at? Choose a topic that resonates with you, and your potential students will feel your passion too. With your topic in hand, it's time to create your course. Ladies and gentlemen, creating a course involves a lot more than just turning on a camera and speaking off the cuff. It's about careful planning, creating engaging content, and ensuring you're delivering it in a high-quality format. Let's start with planning. A well-structured course is like a well-oiled machine. It runs smoothly, keeps the audience engaged, and most importantly, it delivers valuable knowledge in a digestible way. So, how do you plan your course? Begin by outlining the key points you want to cover. These points will form the basis of your course and will guide you in creating a coherent and engaging narrative. Remember, your course structure should be clear and logical. It should flow like a story, taking your students from not knowing to knowing. Next, let's talk about creating engaging content. This is where your creativity and expertise come into play. Remember, the goal is not to bombard your students with information, but rather to teach them something new in a fun and engaging way. So think about how you can make your course interactive. Maybe you could include quizzes, assignments, or discussion prompts, or perhaps you could use real-world examples and case studies to make the content more relatable. Now, onto the technical side of things. High-quality audio and video are crucial. You don't need to invest in the most expensive equipment, but you do need to ensure that your audio is clear and your video is crisp. Remember, your students are here to learn, not to decipher what you're saying through a haze of static and pixelation. So, take the time to test your equipment and adjust your settings until you're happy with the quality. And finally, keep in mind that practice makes perfect. Don't be disheartened if your first few attempts don't turn out as you'd hoped. Keep refining your course, keep improving, and most importantly, keep learning. A well-planned and high-quality course is your ticket to earning on SkillShare. You've created your course. Now it's time to publish and promote it. The first step after wrapping up your course creation is hitting that publish button. But before you do, ensure you have a compelling course title and description. This is crucial as it's your first touchpoint with potential students. Make it catchy, make it relevant, and most importantly, make it resonate with what your course is all about. A well-crafted course description is essential too. It should give potential students a clear idea of what they'll learn, who it's for, and why they should enroll. Don't shy away from highlighting what sets your course apart. Is it your unique teaching style, or perhaps a fresh approach to a popular topic? Whatever it is, make it shine in your description. Once your course is published, it's time to shift gears and focus on promoting it. Remember, the world won't know about your amazing course unless you tell them. So, let's get the word out. One effective way of promoting your course is through social media. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or even LinkedIn, these platforms are powerful tools to reach a vast audience. Share your course link, create engaging posts, and don't forget to use relevant hashtags. Another great avenue for promotion is your personal network. Reach out to friends, family, colleagues, and let them know about your course. They could be your first students and provide you with invaluable feedback. Don't overlook the power of email marketing. If you have an email list, use it. Send a well-crafted email announcing your new course, explaining what it offers, and why it's worth enrolling. And finally, consider collaborations. Partnering with influencers or other SkillShare teachers can help reach a wider audience and boost your course's visibility. Remember, promotion is a continuous process. Keep experimenting with different strategies, track what works, and iterate. With your course published and promoted, you're ready to start earning. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start earning on SkillShare. The path before you is clear, and the potential for success is as broad as your ambition. SkillShare isn't just a platform to earn, it's a community of learners and teachers, all eager to share and absorb knowledge. Your unique skills and experiences are valuable, and there's a world of learners waiting to benefit from them. As you impart your knowledge, you won't just be earning, but also enriching the lives of others. Imagine the sense of fulfillment when your course helps someone land a dream job, start a new hobby, or simply broaden their horizons. With SkillShare, you're not just a teacher but an influencer, a change maker. Every journey starts with a single step, and that step could lead to a path of success, fulfillment, and potentially significant earnings. Don't wait for tomorrow, start your SkillShare journey today, and unlock your potential earnings.